In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a DocuSign document to one person. Whether you've discovered an error or need a recipient to sign a document again, knowing how to resend a DocuSign document is an essential skill that can save you time and hassle. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete this task with confidence. First, let's start on your DocuSign homepage. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the section labeled Agreements. This is where all your document activity is managed, giving you access to everything you've sent, received, or need to work on. As you click through, you might notice a variety of agreements and documents that you've interacted with before. Navigating this section is straightforward and keeps everything organized. Moving on, we're now heading to the Sent section. This area is specifically for documents that you've sent out to others. It's a useful feature for tracking the status and response of each document, allowing you to follow up efficiently when necessary. You'll see a list of your sent agreements here, each tagged with its own respective status, such as waiting for signature or completed. This kind of organization ensures you always know where each document stands in the signing process. Once you've reached the Sent section, the next step involves selecting the specific file you wish to resend. Take a moment to carefully choose the document that needs attention. Whether it's due to a missed signature, a change in details, or simply a gentle nudge for a pending action, identifying the right document is key. When you've made your selection, there's a straightforward option to click on Resend. The resend function is a helpful tool that avoids the need to recreate or re-upload documents from scratch. With just a click, you're reiterating your request to the recipient, prompting them for their attention and action. At this point, DocuSign handles the rest, ensuring that your original message, along with any instructions or notes, is dispatched again without you having to lift a finger more than necessary. And that's really all there is to it. Resending a DocuSign document is a simple yet effective way to ensure your agreements and tasks stay on track. Remember, keeping your documents organized and knowing how to efficiently manage them is crucial to achieving successful communication and business operations. So, whenever you need to remind a recipient or correct an issue, you now know how to take care of it effortlessly. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to practice this process to become more familiar with DocuSign's handy features.